Today we will go to beach.
What beach? Kaputian Beach. Let's go.
Yes, it's Kaputian Beach Park.
Вот это. И ладно.
Eh. And we will show you the way going to the beach from our house. We are already here at the way going to our daughter's school.
There you go, durian. И Элли возвратится с картошкой домой.
Ever since Hanna is small, they are already singing that song. Goro di Zomrodno. Oh, and we're already near Hanna's school.
Покажи школу, скажи, что сделаешь потом. Выпуск про нее.
Oh, and here it is.
Лучше класс показать,
Букв
где
все
учить.
меньше и меньше.
Да. And this is Hanna's school. You wanna go inside?
Пошли.
No, не надо, дочь. No need. I don't know why it's open. Today is Saturday, but the school is open. Let's continue. Вон, смотрите. Вон. Они моют.
А вот is it?
What?
What is it?
That is what we call in the Philippines wing ban. Wing ban.
No fly, да?
Yeah, what?
No fly.
What?
Para saan po yun?
This coming December the fight.
Ah,
December 10. We'll fight here in Babak.
para po malaman na sa inyo yan, ganon? Or,
Hindi. Ito ang bali birth certificate niya para pareha sila yang stag.
Like birth certificate?
da.
Kanang dili mag-inkwentro kanang guwang sa iya ba. Not old. This is 9 months
Oh,
old. 9
9
months old.
months.
So therefore, this is the her birth certificate to prove that
9 months.
he is 9 months.
Ay,
So makikipaglaban lang po siya sa 9 months din.
Oh, at saka pareha ang timbang.
Ah,
Equal weight. Saka parehas din ang edad niya.
а ее не надо вытереть, она вся дрожит.
Окей. Саламат по.
thank you. This is the hardest path for us because we need to go down there, and sometimes when it's raining it's so slippery here, but as you see they did this way so that it's easier for us to walk here. It's the shortcut, that's why we use this way. It's more, no, it's safer here than on the highway because there's no way for walking, not like in the other countries that there are ways for walking and there are ways for the cars separated. Here in the island, no, it's only for cars. That's why it's so dangerous. What are you eating, Hanna?
Барнат.
Bar nuts. roosters everywhere, and Russians hate it. I don't know why.
Бананов сначала тут.
Как много!
Это вот большие раковины.
Вон, смотри. И раковины из моря. Очень много. Красиво они положили. Вон. From here we can already see the ocean over there. That's the sea. And we will go on that part. And that's the beach. We are now here at the
Слушай, а
fruit
у нас сумки
market.
нет никакой, да?
У меня есть. And buying Pamela. Pamela here in Davao is so sweet and so good. А сколько стоит? 30 per kilo now. And those
Подожди,
are
пойдем.
durians. And now we will go find fruits. And
Ой, доча, держи его.
look at this one.
Скажи, головастик, привет.
Muscat, grapes. And this one I don't know what it's called. It's grapes, orange, banana, and durian. Oh.
Вот дуриан, good.
Hannah, do you wanna try durian?
Puyat.
Puyat. Puyat, puyat.
Puyat. Hindi puyat. Ay, this one cold.
Вот это коп,
So better puyat.
это пуят.
Может,
It's
вот
коп
такой?
yellow.
Yes, a little bit yellow. Not so yellow.
Попробуй.
Ну что, вот это. Пуят?
Puyat.
Давай, пуят.
Which one?
It's, а it's.
How do you know if it's puyat or cob? Ah. Parang parehas man?
Really?
I know. Ну-ка, понюхай.
Hindi siya sa puyat. Mas dagko
Понюхай.
man ang puyat.
Puyat has a bigger, like this, thorns.
Sorry.
What do you call this
No,
one?
понюхай.
Thorn?
Yes.
Не чувствуешь?
And cob is smaller.
Не чувствуешь?
Я не чувствую.
Ну,
This ano?
окей.
I don't know how to determine either. Because for me, they are the same.
Different. It's,
This one is ripe.
yes, it's color, see.
And this one also ripe.
How do
No,
you
maybe
know if it's already good or not?
No, smell.
Smell.
It's cob. Yes?
Yes.
It's cob.
How about
It's
this
puyat.
one?
Yes.
Puyat.
Yes.
Ah, puyat.
Lagyo yung tunok mo. Lagyo, madagyo. Ganito yung lagyo. Ay, sarap. Which one? This one
Puyat
is also ripe.
has
What's the best?
wider.
What you think?
Here.
Scoop.
Ah, it's
Oh,
cob?
this one
Yes.
is nearer.
Food,
She said.
puyat, puyat, puyat.
What
And
you
more
want? Puyat or
pointed.
cob?
Which one is better?
Huh? What better?
I
What you think?
prefer puyat.
Okay.
Then we will buy puyat.
Which one?
Мама, пойдем, смотри.
Maybe it's that. Или большой взять?
But it's more ripe.
No ripe.
More,
But it's more ripe.
more ripe.
Small. Ah, it's more ripe.
Мам, пойдем, я хочу что-то тебе показать.
Yes.
Not ripe.
Not ripe. Okay.
Maybe later.
What will you
Что,
choose?
тут only small.
What will you choose?
Давай большой возьмем. Или нет?
Да, большой хочу.
Нет. Ну это не такой спелый.
А, ну который можно кушать сейчас.
What good now? It's only two. It's
One,
maybe
two,
cob.
three.
Давай
How much?
130 per kilo.
And
130 per
Puyat sim?
kilo.
Yes.
here only very small.
Yes.
Very small. Here no. It's very small. It's very small. Only one,
Two.
two. Nothing. It's not bad.
You take this. That's Esther.
Мам, пойдем, я хочу что-то показать.
Oh, it's when yesterday you opened.
Tester.
We saw here selling pineapples. And it's 35 each po? 35 each? 35 per kilo. 35 per kilo.
I don't.
200!
Mm.
200!
And he chose 2 pineapples.
Ngawat na sila.
We are now here in the beach.
And this is the map of Samal. And we are living now here, there, in Poblacion. And this is the name of the beach, Kaputian Beach Park.
Let's go. Это.
There are lots of people today because today is Saturday. There's already Christmas tree here.
Ma,
Yeah. What do you want?
I will show you the sea. Of you. Tief, 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 die, 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 of you. Меня сейчас здесь дует. Я думаю, ты не снимаешь. There are lots of boats here. It's so good here. Come on now, let's open a bubble. Come on now and take a good long now. And see, God is has all we need to be free. It's about you, it's about me, it's about the truth that sets us free. It's about L-O-V-E, love from the Father of above. It's about hope, it's about life, it's about the love of Jesus Christ. It's about everlasting, ever feeling love. It's about everlasting, ever feeling love.
And now we're already here at the beach. But before that, we will eat durian. It's puyat. Or foam. Ой, почему так?
Ну потому что я же тебе говорю, что я взял.
I want this. Yummy. This is puyat. It's creamy. like ice cream. For me, there is no smell. I can smell it. We will ask my husband if he can smell.
Better you ask our daughter what smell. Because mine
No.
no good. After COVID.
Cock no good.
Good but no not very.
Hannah,
For me,
come
no
here.
smell.
No,
You only smell.
no.
Okay, try.
It's like an ice cream. You don't want? Mm. Very soft texture. Here, it's like a bit crispy, but inside it's very soft and creamy. Tasty. It tastes like an ice cream, but it's not cold.
Ice cream. Very good, beautiful ice cream. Why you take my durian?
It's mine.
Ay, 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 ay.
Где мой пластик?
It's my husband who taught me how to eat durian, because before I don't want to try because they said it's so the smell is not good. But when I see before my husband eating, it seems like he's enjoying it, and it tastes like super yummy. When we are in Malaysia, it's the first time I've tried durian, and it's so good. It's so delicious. And from then, I already loved durian.
Look, I found beautiful shells.
Looking for shells, is her favorite thing to do here, except swimming.
It's about everlasting, everlasting.
And this is Kaputian Beach.
Where is the plastic?
Over there.
Kung nakita.
Hindi mo nakita ang plastic?
Ta.
Hindi ko nakita. Nagtatagalog ka na naman. O Bisaya. And now they are swimming. I will not swim because I don't want to. Oh, there they are.
Sabi ko, dad, mag-swim ko. Mag-swim ko, dad. Mag-swim ko.
High tide is starting already. The water level is already here before it's there.
It's so fun swimming.
Ой, посмотри туда
We
сначала.
will buy lechon.
What? Lechon manok.
Lechon manok.
A grilled chicken. Apo pa chop. Chop, chop, chop. Look at this. This is how they cook grilled chicken here in the Philippines. Of course, there is coal under the chicken, and it's automatic. Oh, look at that. Let's go there. I will show you. This is the mechanics. Oh, look at that. It's electric.
See ya next time.
We will go home now. Bye-bye. See you next time.